Happy Tuesday for all of my friends, family out there. I may have already spoke with you that I have it on my heart to start sharing a lot of the knowledge that I've learned over the last 9 months. When someone is first told they have cancer, their world is shaken. You feel so vulnerable. You basically are told that you're facing your death. My name is Carrie. I'm from Scottsdale, Arizona. I am a registered nurse. I do nuclear cardiac stress testing. With my age being fairly young and being so involved with fitness and nutrition, I've been involved with that most of my life. I was still going to the gym 3 to 4 times a week and running on the treadmill 3 miles, hiking Camelback Mountain. I've never felt bad. I never would have suspected that I would get cancer. I was diagnosed with breast cancer on my left breast, a pretty good sized lump. I could physically feel it. I did not have any symptoms otherwise. The lump was removed. I completed radiation for 6 weeks daily. Testing on the tumor had it rated at such a very low occurrence that no chemo was necessary. I've been a nurse for 15 years in the United States. The one thing that has struck fear is chemo. Stayed completely cancer-free as far as I knew. I got off the table from the PET scan, in which I was 100% sure would be negative because I've never had any symptoms, to find out the radiologist pulled me directly into his office with the look of complete sheer terror and fear on his face to show me a PET scan that was riddled with cancer metastasis all through my right lung. I understand the importance of health, nutrition, and building your immunity and fitness, all of those things. To feel completely healthy, I knew I wanted to do therapies that were going to continue to keep me in that position rather than put me in a position of feeling like I'm fighting for my life due to a low immune system, failing organs, and other problems like that. Once I started researching Hope4Cancer, I just knew that this was the clinic that I wanted to come to. That's when I saw Dr. Tony and was introduced to Dr. Tony, and then I saw all the therapies that were offered here, and then the testimonies that I kept coming across. I just can tell you that God led me here. Coming here is a little bit nerve-wracking. It's far away, it's in a different country. There's a lot of misconception about Mexico healthcare. I feel like I've received better healthcare here in a week than I've ever received in the United States. They literally fit in every